Kute Toon TV. Lucy's adventurous spirit put to the test when her family decided a river rafting quest. With a life jacket on, paddle in her hand, Lucy climbed into the raft, excitement so grand. Oh Lucy, with a heart so bold, river rafting thrills in waters cold. Splashing and laughing through rapids so wild, your cheerful nature kept us all beguiled. The river was fast, wild as can be, but Lucy's calm nature set us free. She kept us focused, her spirit so bright, navigating rapids with pure delight. Oh Lucy, with a heart so bold, river rafting thrills in waters cold. Splashing and laughing through rapids so wild, your cheerful nature kept us all beguiled. Her big round eyes sparkled with thrill as we conquered the course with laughter to fill. Lucy's bravery shone like the sun in the river's embrace. We had so much fun. Oh Lucy, with a heart so bold, river rafting thrills in waters cold. Splashing and laughing through rapids so wild, your cheerful nature kept us all beguiled. Adventure thrilling and experience so grand, showcasing Lucy's bravery hand in hand. Her love for challenges and the great outdoors left us all inspired, craving for more. Lucy watched a movie about the Arctic so white, polar bears and seals, a beautiful sight. But the ice is melting, the animals in danger. Lucy wants to help them, she's a little change maker.
Doom! She's off on a journey to the land of snow and ice. Wearing a warm parka, everything feels so nice.
Flurry the fox is her guide so true, together they'll help, there's so much to do. Arctic adventure, helping every creature, from polar bears to walruses, each one a special teacher. Working together, making a difference today, protecting the planet, that's the Lucy way.
Stranded on a melting piece of ice,
Lucy builds a bridge with courage and advice.
a seal tangled in a net,
She sets it free, back to the ocean, happy as can be. Arctic adventure, helping every creature, from polar bears to walruses, each one a special teacher. Working together, making a difference today, protecting the planet, that's the Lucy way.
back home now with a heart full of care. Lucy's spreading the message to show that we share this beautiful planet with creatures big
And small,
Let's protect the Arctic
and answer its call. Lucy loves dinosaurs, big and small. Reading books, she knows them all. T-Rex, Triceratops, Stegosaurus too. Wishing she could see them, wouldn't that be cool? One night, a magic wish beneath the stars so bright. Lucy's whisked away on a prehistoric flight. Whirling through time, a jungle comes in view. Dinosaurs are real, her dreams are coming true. Roar, knock, the dinosaurs are here. Giant footsteps, thunder, let's give a cheer. Brachiosaurus so tall, pterodactyl takes flight. Lucy's dinosaur adventure, a prehistoric delight. Roar, stomp, the dinosaurs are here. Giant footsteps, thunder, let's give a cheer. Brachiosaurus so tall, pterodactyl takes flight. Lucy's dinosaur adventure, a prehistoric delight. A baby dino's lost, Lucy leads the way back to its mama, safe and sound today. But poachers lurk with traps and evil schemes to capture the dinosaurs, fulfill their greedy dreams. Roar, stomp, the dinosaurs stand tall. Lucy's got a plan, she'll save them all. Outsmarting the poachers with bravery and grace. The dinosaurs are safe back in their rightful place. Time to go home now, but the memories remain of roaring dinosaurs in sunshine after rain. Lucy's heart is full with wonder and with cheer. Her dinosaur adventure, a story to hold dear.